Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to delete a Yelp account, all right, as a user. All right. First thing that you need to do is just go ahead and go to yelp.com. All right. Once you're in here, you're going to want to delete any words right here and replace it to support. All right. Once done, just hit on enter and wait for the website to load. And as you can see here, we are in the Yelp's support center. And what we're going to do is just click on the search bar right here and type in deletion. Hit on search. All right, as you can see here, there are a ton of options right here. Well, all you have to do is just click on this one right here. How do I close my account? Click. As you can see here, here are some options for Yelpers and business owners. All right, just go ahead and click on submit an account closure request. Click on it if you are a Yelper. Type in your concern. Hit on send. All right, now once you're done, it usually takes Yelp about 24 to 48 hours to fully delete your account. Just patiently wait. The next time you log in, you won't be able to log in. That's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.